In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Trello Power-Ups. To get started, you'll need to head over to the Trello website. Simply open your web browser and type in Trello.com. Once the page loads, you'll spot the Login button in the top right corner. Give it a click. If you've ever used Trello before, you'll know that its login process is powered through Atlassian. On this page, you'll see a variety of options to choose from for signing in. We'll go for the Google account option, a popular and straightforward choice for many users. Click on Google, and it will prompt you to select your Google account. Choose the correct account, enter your password if prompted, and you'll be redirected back to Trello. Once logged in, Trello automatically takes you to your board overview. Just in case, bookmark this page for quick access next time. Now select the board that you wish to enhance with Power-Ups. Click on the board and it should open up all its lists and cards for you. To find Power-Ups, direct your attention to the right-hand side of the screen, where you'll see a small rocket icon. Click on it to bring up the Power-Ups menu. Within this menu, you'll find a button that says Add Power-Ups. Clicking it will take you to the Power-Ups directory, where an array of useful tools are waiting for you. Whether you're looking for integration with other apps, automation tools, or visual enhancements, there's a Power-Up for just about every need. To find a specific Power-Up, use the search bar at the top of the directory. Once you type in the name or keyword of the Power-Up you're looking for, the relevant results will appear in front of you. Browse through the available options, and when you spot something you like, simply click on the Add button next to that Power-Up. Some Power-Ups may require additional setup steps after you click Add. Be sure to carefully follow any on-screen instructions provided to complete the activation process. It's usually just a matter of a few clicks, and then you're ready to go. Once you've added a Power-Up, you can access and configure it from the Power-Ups menu, or sometimes through a new button added to the board's header for easy access. The functionality of each Power-Up varies, so to use it, click on its button or navigate through the menu options on your board. From there, follow any specific instructions provided to take full advantage of your new tool. That's all there is to it. Power-Ups are a brilliant way to expand the capabilities of your Trello boards, making project management more efficient and tailored to your needs. Thanks for watching and happy Trelloing.